Hello everyone, welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. Today we'll serve Paneer Mewa Kheer, also called Chanar Gurer Payesh in Bengali. Ingredients list and few variations available in the description box below. Take 1 liter full cream milk. Tips: if you're making kheer for the first time, dip a spoon until it reaches bottom of the pan. We get our first mark. Boil until the milk reduces to half the mark. Make sure to frequently stir the milk to avoid any formation of cream. Once the milk reduces to 3/4 the quantity, add 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Mix until the sugar dissolves and the milk reduces to half the quantity. This took about 20 to 25 minutes. Final check and it has reduced to half. Time to add 1 cup melted jaggery. This is date palm jaggery called patali gur in Bengali. You may find these in stores nearby, else substitute with sugar and cardamom powder. Find the details in the description box below. Add chopped dates. Mix it for a minute. Chopped mixed dry fruits. Now time to add crumbled homemade paneer. Make sure not to boil the paneer for more than 2 minutes. So there we have our yummy paneer kheer. You can serve it cold or the way you like it. Thank you for watching. Like if you like it. Comments are always welcome. Spread the word. And subscribe for more recipes.